Wow, that video sure brought back some memories. Hello, and welcome to the Kettering University Young Innovators Fair. I'm Sarah Perkins, Lead Cooperative Education Manager at Kettering University and organizer for this year's fair, which, as you know, was held virtually. We've been hosting the fair here at Kettering since 2013, and I'm proud to have been involved since the very beginning. The Young Innovators Fair encourages young students to flex their inventive and creative muscles to solve real-world problems. It's an important event for our community since it prepares them for future programs and careers in STEM. The hands-on nature of Innovators fits perfectly with the Kettering University approach, applying classroom theory and learning directly into real-world practical settings. Students 3rd through 8th grade from schools across Genesee County were invited to submit their inventions online. We celebrate all of you for your creativity and for not giving up. You did it! This year's fair is obviously very different from previous years. I'm used to seeing all of you in person at Kettering University. I'm so grateful for the flexibility of the students, teachers, and families who were still willing to participate. We can't wait until we can welcome you all back to campus next year. Before we announce the names of the students moving forward, I need to thank everyone who made our fair possible. The parents and families, teachers, judges, staff, and volunteers. We're especially grateful for the support of the Henry Ford. But of course, the most important people I need to thank today are all of the students who submitted their inventions. We're so proud of you, and to show our appreciation, I'm excited to tell you that every student who participated in this year's fair will be receiving a t-shirt. We will be sending the shirts to your schools in the coming weeks. Wear them with pride. And now, for the moment that I know you've all been waiting for, the names of the students who have been chosen to move forward to the Henry Ford Invention Convention, Michigan. From Brendel Elementary, Athena Atkinson, Wyatt Gray, Nico Heine, Bailey Jackson, Jack Planchta, Brooke Rydell, Alexis Russell, Manuel Trice, Braden Whitney. Congratulations. From Deek Elementary, Olivia Bicknell. Congratulations. From Indian Hill Elementary, Lucas Aub, Andrew Bauer, Nathan Borgstrom, Lila Seja, Robert Charleston, Nicole Fang, Lydia Foland, Sean Foy, Juliana Frazier, Brady Gross, Colette Hahn, Alexis Huzinga, Lucas Kiesel, Jesse Leon, Corvin Long, Nicholas Priestap, Hannah Shuck, Chase Stevens, and Gregory West. Congratulations, Indian Hill. From the Perry Innovation Center, Mohammed Abdallah, Vincent Angelini, Kennedy Breezel, Sydney Folks, Thomas Halligan, Tristan Hammond, Jaden Harvey, Megan Matson, Kaylin Nolf, Jeremiah Smallage, Connor Burton, Zaya Holden, Zeelan Holden, Noah Mitchell, Addison Calvert, Avery Marble, Eric Moffitt, Rebecca Tucker, Isaiah Marble, Genevieve Monterosso, Caden Waddy, Marcus Berlanga, Jaden Bruton, Marie Halligan, Maxwell Loxton, Hunter Asbury, Maximilian Blasdick, Ramsey McBride, Connor Williamson, Harkish Fadu, Cameron Matson, and Owen Wright. Congratulations. Congratulations to all the students who are moving forward to the Henry Ford Invention Convention, Michigan. And thanks again to every student who participated. Now, normally, if we were in person, this would be when we would offer some hands-on workshop activities. Since we're not able to do that this year, check out this fun video on how to build a stomp rocket by our very own Mark Taylor from the Kettering University First Robotics Center. Just go to the link you see on your screen. To all of our young innovators, we look forward to the day when we can welcome you back to Kettering University. We look forward to seeing you in 2022.